Hi, so welcome to your private shop tour. Um, it's after hours now. I just closed the gates and everything, so I can't answer your question on how many blades do we actually sharpen. So I'll give you a run around and see what we do. Yeah, this is where you walk in. This is what you see. You'll be greeted at this counter, and we have some stuff that we sell here: scissors, meat grinding discs and blades, hedge trimmers. All of this has in common, it has a blade, right? So we sharpen it and we try and replace it if the goods of the customer are naked. This is some slaughter tooling, stun guns, some de-hiding knives, chainsaws, router bits for the woodworker, craftsman. I'll go around here. This is some saw blades. That's my bread and butter. Sharpen these from 80 millimeter up to 750 millimeter diameter. This is a big part of what we do. Over here you can see more meat grinders, pocket knives, various knives for the butcher or households, high-speed steel, metal cutting, cold saws, that funny spitting animal they call an alpaca, knives to shear these guys, more meat grinding, chainsaws, drill bits, hole saws, you name it, we do it. Bandsaws in all different shapes and sizes, from the home butcher to industrial saws. Hedge trimmers, more drill bits. I'll walk over here. We do a lot of different things right here. We've got bowl cutters, more scissors, bread slicers for home, more scissors, more knives, big granulator blades, in this case for a mattress factory where they chop up their recycled mattresses. Planer blades in all shapes and lengths. I'll swing over here, sorry I'm a bit fast. Here's our belt sander, all different kinds of belts. We do a lot of handcraft here. Walk around here. This is again where I repair these big saw blades, so if teeth need to be soldered on, I'll do that here. I'll cut them to size, I'll sharpen the flanks again. Universal tool grinder, can do pretty much anything on here. My machines to sharpen the saw blades, different steps of that. I'll pan around here. Universal tool grinders with all different grinding discs that we use for whatever purpose we do. You can see a core drill here, metal cutting. So the variety that we do is sometimes really cumbersome. Welding, we don't do welding for outside. This is simply for our own projects. A little cart which I designed to keep my welding machines together. We do pretty much everything we manufacture, or in the lean regard we do ourselves, like these stands. Everything is built in-house. A little table saw for some wood projects. I have my CNC mill over here, again for just in-house projects. But you can probably tell by this I'm really passionate about machining. This is our morning meeting corner, just so by the way. So we've got tags assigned to the team. We've got our buck carts right over here. Let me swing around, walk you over here. This is bandsaws. I'll do them in every shape and size. From this is like band knife material for paper cutting, toilet rolls, stuff like that. All different kinds of wood cutting, metal cutting, bimetal blades, from your average hobbyist right up to industrial. So a lot of different material. We custom weld them to whatever size they get used. Chainsaws, we assemble them here to length of whatever the guys require. We not only sharpen them. This is my riveting station over here. Some neat little organizing of tools there. Sharpening of chainsaws happening here. Then my machine area. This is my milling machine and my lathe. Again, this is not for outside. This is mainly to manufacture tooling that we use in-house to sharpen something. So I don't do general lathe or mill work for outside. I haven't got the capacity for that. So swinging over here. This is like guillotines for the paper industry, the big printers in all lengths and sizes that we grind over here. Our cleaning shelf. So yeah, a little tour. Well, like I said, I couldn't tell you how many blades we sharpen in a month, and it's probably not designed for too many people. It's very specialized, and the industry or the requirements for that here in Namibia are very small. We could do probably with only 4. So over the counter here where I'm standing now, I talked on the weekend that our sales guy, which was with us now for 12 months, or 6 months, sorry, is leaving us again. I employed him because we have a 3-month-old daughter at home, and my wife was doing the receiving here at the counter, and I wanted her to be at home. Now little baby girl is 3 months old, and yeah, as of December it'll be back to me standing here at the counter. It's a bit of a bummer because, you know, if you get interrupted like every few minutes and you got your head stuck in one of those machines, it sucks. But we've dealt with it before, so I have to deal with it again, and hopefully I'll find someone to jump back in here and help us, and until then I'll be splitting the workload between myself and my wife occasionally. And yeah, that's it from Namibia, so we'll be in touch.